Good morning, all of you. So here I am. This video is going to be a long form video, and after all the shots that I had put up about slow mornings and about gut health and mental health, I think this is going to be my this is going to be my fourth long shot video. So I'm done with my breakfast. In breakfast today, I had some dalia. I cooked it myself. मेरे पास cook है. I already have a cook actually who helps me with the cooking. I also have a house help who does all the household chores. But still I tried cooking dalia on my own today. उन्होंने कटिंग वगैरह वेजिटेबल कटिंग वगैरह सब कुछ करके दे दिया था. मैंने बस गैस पे चढ़ाया और मैंने बस कुकर में डलिया कर लिया. आई हैव सीन फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस कि कुकर में डलिया बनाने से इट्स ईजियर एंड इट्स फास्टर ऑल्सो. Talking about now, I was just having my mid-morning snack. So this is how my mid-morning snack looks. I mean, I'm just kind of having, as you can see, some pomegranate. And I'll tell you about pomegranate, so I try to have this pomegranate almost thrice a week. I think that's a decent frequency. उससे ज़्यादा आपको खाना नहीं है क्योंकि too much of anything is bad for your health. But pomegranate is needed, I think for all the adults, for all the growing adults, and especially working women like us, we often feel fatigued. We are often exhausted from our, day's work and everything. So we are often exhausted out of the life's grind, right? तो हमें वो energy जो है, ठीक है, वो हमको basically इससे gather करना है. So pomegranate is actually a powerhouse of nutrients. I mean, I don't know आप में से कितनों को ये पता है. इसमें vitamin C है, इसमें of course iron है, vitamin C है, and it also helps your skin to glow. मतलब मैंने खुद देखा है, this is from my hands-on experience. Trust me, एक पूरा महीना twice or thrice a week के frequency में मैं pomegranate खा रही थी. The kind of glow that I had on my face, the kind of natural glow, the complete skin changed. It was so shiny, it was so glossy, and everything was organic and natural. मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतना shine, इतना natural glow और इतना let me have some actually. मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतनी natural glow और इतनी organic glow आपके face में, आपके skin में कोई artificial product ला सकता है. मतलब वो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो जाए, वो कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट हो जाए, जितना भी वो ऑर्गेनिक हो जाए, जितना भी वो हर्बल प्रोडक्ट हो जाए, whatever you are eating is having a direct impact on your health and a very straight impact on your skin and hair. So आज का दिन मैंने I started with my breakfast and now I'm having my mid-morning snack. I have a couple of sessions to take down the line and I'll be taking them, so I just thought of making this long form video right in the morning today. So I also wanted to talk a little bit about, I know बहुत आवाज़ आ रही है ना, Indian society ऐसी होती है. We have our own house and this is an Indian society, and in a residential society, पुराने ज़माने के society में, colonies में, you'll always find a lot of noise around. Noisy neighborhood is what we have. But it's fine, it's absolutely fine because mornings, Indian mornings are not like American mornings. Indian mornings are mornings जहाँ पे you'll see helps coming in, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं और शोर शराबा तो होता ही है. That's quite normal. Okay, so right, so I just wanted to put this up on my channel because just to have a lot of revenue or just to crunch number of subscribers, I don't just want to have one kind of audience. मतलब मैं खाली कुकिंग के वीडियोस डालती जाऊंगी और वैसे टाइप ऑफ ऑडियंस हो जाएगा. मैं खाली स्किन केयर के टिप्स डालती जाऊंगी, वैसा काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस हो जाएगा. आई एम लिटरली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ वैरायटी, अ डाइवर्सिटी. मुझे बहुत तरीके के ऑडियंसेस चाहिए. आई डोंट जस्ट वांट टू कीप ऑन डूइंग द सेम वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन. आई मीन द सेम टॉपिक ऑफ वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन. I would want to do a video on cooking. The other day probably I'll show what I ate in a day. The other day probably I'll take you to my how I do my workout. The other day I'll take you through the kind of sessions that I take. So there has to be a lot of variety and diversity in a channel. तो इसी वजह से अगर आप मेरे शॉर्ट्स भी देखोगे matlab the shots that I have been uploading or the videos that I have been uploading, you will see I'm talking about Prahar, the anti-terrorism policy, the most consolidated policy that was launched by Ministry of External Affairs very recently. You will see I'm talking about how to take the right decision in life. You'll see I'm posting pictures and shots of trips. You'll see I'm doing a little bit of poetry on the background. So you'll see I'm giving you certain tips and strategies on all these diets and everything. सो या दैट्स हाउ आई वांट माय चैनल टू बी. मतलब मुझे खाली एक ही टाइप की चीज़ें चैनल में नहीं डालना है, राइट. आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू हैव दैट वन निश ऑडियंस. मुझे I want to build up a community, a socially aware community, and a community which discusses, which exchanges ideas. मतलब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मेरे वीडियोस देखो, आप मेरे शॉर्ट्स देखो, देखने के बाद आप कमेंट करो, right? You can come up with your positive ideas, you can come up with your negative ideas. We can also discuss on certain topics. अगर आपको लगता है that there's a perspective or there's an opinion in the video जो you feel that yes, she's saying it right, so maybe we can discuss that. So a lot of community engagement is something that is also I'm looking out for. And yeah, I have this pomegranate. This is not something that is only targeted for women or only targeted for men. Everybody, I mean, whether you're a man or you're a woman, if आप बच्चे भी हो, आप growing adult हो, आप teen हो, आप senior citizen हो, pomegranate works great. बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है. हालांकि अभी प्राइस थोड़े ज़्यादा है, right? The prices of pomegranate currently is quite expensive, but try to have this. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, जैसे मैंने बताया. Okay, anyway, so that's it. I wanted to discuss what is the objective of my channel and what is the kind of audience that I'm looking forward to. So like my videos and definitely subscribe so that we can grow. As a community we can grow, as a channel we can grow, and I think I'll be coming up with more more diverse content in future if I have a lot of time. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.